What? Oh, they're colorful. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day so far. If you're new here, my name is Jessie, and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle vlogs. I almost forgot what I do here. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, because you see this bad boy right here? Yeah, that is an advent calendar, one of many. Today's video is actually a pretty special one because it is brought to you by $1 a day CBD subscription. Kind of a mouthful. They are a CBD subscription, and their main focus is to providing you with quality products and not just that fancy packaging and gimmicks and, you know, just crap. There's nothing on this, probably because, you know, it comes in the mail. With $1 a day CBD, they focus on three things: trust, simplicity, and quality. Their mission is to be your trusted source for CBD, so you shop high quality products with the peace of mind. They only feature products that are vetted or have some type of an award for their CBD. And then as we get into this, last thing about them, they do offer a rewards program. So like with every dollar you spend, you get a point, and then I think like with this like 25 points, you get so much off.
$1 a day CBD subscription box is starting at $27 a month, and if you use my code JessieMay, you can save yourself 25%, or you can click the link down in the description box.
$1 a day CBD subscription. Their mission is to be your trusted source for CBD, so you shop high quality products with a peace of mind. That's why they only feature brands and products that are vetted, award winning, and well recognized within the industry. They also publicly post lab reports for every product, so you know exactly what you're getting in your CBD every time. And if for any reason you're not satisfied with your CBD subscription or anything you tried, you do have a 60-day money back. You do have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Getting started in your CBD wellness journey can be complicated. That's why we've made it as easy as possible. Our $1 a day CBD box lets you get started as little as $1 a day. Simply choose a product, select your subscription time frame, and enjoy your CBD. No hidden fees, cancel anytime. New to CBD, or you just trying out a product? Skip the subscription and do a one-time purchase. Once you settle on a product, subscribe and save. I do have a little code for you that can save you guys some money. It is JessieMay, or you can use the link down in the description box. It's just the www.cbdsubscription.com/JessieMay. It will save you 25% off your first month. Thank you so much to $1 a day CBD subscription for partnering with me and helping bring CBD to you guys, because without them or you wouldn't be here. They did send me all of this stuff, but I'm super excited because CBD is just amazing. It's good for stress. It's great for like calmness, you know, if you're just kind of just a little too wild out of it, or not wild, but you know, like anxiety. It's great for that. Great for, honestly, in my personal experience, depression. But it does help with managing stress, and also if you are regularly working out, which I'm not, so I need to get back into that. But it is great as a workout recovery supplement. That was the word. My shirt is it's just fitting. I wish it matched just a little bit more. Everything does come in just like its own box, and it's got directions, a cute little sticker, and just what the product is in the box. So far, so I did the Hemp Crate Co. unboxing. It's another CBD subscription box. You can check that out here. But they weren't as detailed as, you know, little cards and directions. I really like that. So it says here, your personal box of happiness, excitement, happiness, bliss. You may experience these feelings as you open your CBD box. Don't worry, it's perfectly normal. Down below it says for the product, this is the CBD oil. CBD type is CBD type full spectrum, contains all the cannabis found in hemp. Really? Including a trace amount of THC. There is less than 0.3% of THC in here. So, I mean, I don't think you're going to get anything. It doesn't bother me that it has that in there, and I highly doubt that that's really going to affect you with that little amount. But just know it's in there. It's also in the actual bud of the CBD flower bud of the Hemp Crate Co. I don't know if I mentioned that I did do one, that's a different CBD. I like so far this one better. Honestly, I do. Especially for the price. This is, yep. CBD oil benefits. Calmness. It helps supports a sense of calm and relaxation. Exercise recovery. Assists with recovery from daily exercise. It helps manage signs of everyday stress. It perfectly supports your daily wellness routine. Now, I don't... Herbal supplement... Peppermint flavor. I was like, does it have a flavor? And shake well. I can. I'm going to be trying here on camera, obviously, since I'm like opening it. First impression so far, this is a great subscription, but just their way they have everything boxed and it's nifty little fill dropper with CBD oil. Place under tongue, hold for 30 to 60 seconds and swallow. Oh, this is like every other THC oil. And then this product that we have here is the CBD Freeze. It contains only CBD with none of the other cannabinoids found in hemp. So this is THC free. This CBD Freeze benefits cooling relief, exercise recovery, and optimized wellness. I mean, I could kind of, I'm excited. I wonder if it's good for carpal tunnel. Ooh, it is like a ball. This might be perfect also for Kevin because he ripped off his arm. So I'm doing it on my wrist because I do have carpal tunnel, and you know, if it numbs it and makes it feel better, that's fantastic. So I'm just gonna kind of, it smells pretty good. It doesn't smell nearly at all like the icy hot. I kind of feel like a cooling sensation on my wrist. It's kind of nice. Next in here we have, oh, a CBD lotion. CBD lotions are good for moisture. They are THC free. They rejuvenate and are good for your optimized wellness. This is the CBD lotion in the scent lavender. Now, I did fail to mention the CBD subscription box, they have their own brand, which is like this little logo here, which, you know, it's on the sticker. This logo. So far everything they did send me was their brand. They do, like I did mention, they do, I think I mentioned this. It's started filming at 3. It's now going on 6 o'clock. It's been a day. It shouldn't take this long to do an unboxing. They publicly post their lab reports. So, you know, if you want to know exactly what's in it other than what it's saying on the label, they post, you know, their little lab reports and everything. And then also I did fail to mention how many milligrams are in here on anything. So just going back really quickly to the Freeze. The Freeze is 150 milligrams of CBD. And then the CBD oil is 500 milligrams of CBD, and then the less than 0.3% of THC. Now, back to the lavender one. Which, by the way, that CBD, since I taken it, I did take the dropper before I ate dinner. I feel kind of chill. I don't know. Can you notice the difference? Let me know down in the comments. Anyway, CBD. Guess I'll be using that. Don't shake it. I shook it. Don't shake your lotion. So it went everywhere. It's on my shirt. I got completely my vault. Okay, you're supposed to put this in areas where CBD is kind of needed. I'm making a mess. Just a total mess. It smells nice. So yeah, don't shake it. Don't shake it and then open it. Let it settle and gently open it. I do like the smell. I can't speak for what it's going to do. The CBD claims, you know, it's all over the container. I need like a towel. Anywho, since I just got CBD oil on blurry, focus. Back to me. No? Okay. Alright, lastly in our CBD subscription box. Now, I keep saying it's like a subscription box, and it's, you know, it's even right there. It's a CBD box subscription. Does that make sense? Probably not. That wasn't explained very well. So the lotion is preventing me from some gummies. It fucking better be gummies. I can't open it. Oh, I can't open it. Oh. It's gummies. It gummies, CBD gummies. I absolutely love gummy candy, okay? Like, gummy anything. Just gummy bears, gummy worms, sour Skittles. What? Sour Skittles has nothing to do with gummies. I wanted to say Sour Patch Kids. Anyway, so we have CBD gummies, and if you were to eat this whole entire jar, it'd be 300 milligrams. So one gummy is 10 milligrams, and we are going to eat one. Alright. Oh, they're colorful! I don't know, can you see that? Yes, they are colorful. Oh. So they multi-flavored, like different ones. We're gonna eat on this one. 0 THC in this, you guys. So, we'll just eat. Oh, they're little bears. They're little gummy bears. That is adorable. Oh, they're not sour, but they have that sour taste to them to make, So our CBD gummy benefits is great for calmness, helps manage stress, exercise recovery, and your optimize wellness. This would be great if it actually was a full subscription box and you got all these things in there, but I know that's not how that works. So the way it would work is like if you wanted this would cost you $30 and you would get the month's supply, etc. I'm really excited with these products so far. Everything I tried, I absolutely love. It's fantastic. And guess what? And you guys get to save 25% off of your first month of cbdsubscription.com by using my link down in the description box or my code JessieMay. I have gummies, okay? Like, you could have just sent me 4 things of gummies and I would have been set. I might actually have to order the gummies because a huge thank you to $1 a Day CBD subscription for partnering with me and sending me these products to review for you guys. I hope you did enjoy the video. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out tremendously. And again, a huge thank you to $1 CBD subscription box. And also a huge, wonderful thank you to you guys because without every single one of you, I wouldn't be here. This video definitely wouldn't be happening. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch some of my other content or check out that Hemp Crate Co. unboxing, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys and I'll catch you in my next video. A bunch of advent calendars coming. Make sure you subscribe. I love you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!